Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about whether you should buy Tesla stock or not. Today is the 10th of June 2020 and the Tesla stock price soars up to or more above 1,000 US dollars. As Warren Buffett said or says, it's not investing if you just look at the stock price. And he's the fourth richest man in the world and he's the star investor. So let's have a closer look at the Tesla company itself. Tesla is a leading electric vehicle car company. So let's have a closer look here. And the best-selling product is a Tesla 3 model. And they could sell about 370,000 units. And Elon Musk is the CEO and also the founder of the company, and he's very capable. So he has a track record of high achievement. His first company he started was a Zip2, and he sold it and he received 22 million US dollars. And the second company he then started, it was XCOM, and he could also sold it to eBay and paid to eBay for 165 million US dollars. And then with all the money he has, he then started investing into Tesla for 6 million US dollars. And since 2008, he became the CEO of Tesla. Since then, the company is doing better and better, especially with the Tesla 3 model. And he could also expand the product line into Cybertrucks and semi-trucks. So let's have a closer look to the stock performance. So as you can see here, it surges today from $983 to $1,025. So if you invested in it like 5 days ago, you would also have a great return. You would also make money because that's why the green graph indicates that it was a good positive return. 1 month ago, you would also, if you invested like 1 month ago, you would also make money. Half a year ago, you would also make money. 1 year ago, it was like, the stock price was like $215. So it quadrupled, even more, almost 5 times the price. The stock price surges almost 5 times. That's nice. Which means if you invested in it like last year with 10,000 US dollars, right now you would have roughly 50,000 US dollars. This is what it means. And if you invested into Tesla like 5 years ago, it was, 5 years ago it was the same. But its IPO in 2010, it was roughly $25. Oh wow. So let's do the math real quick. Divided by 25. So the stock price surges like 10 years ago, like 41 times. Wow, that's incredible. Which means if you invested into Tesla like 10,000 US dollars, like 10 years ago, right now you would have like 410,000 US dollars. So yeah, it's doing very good. Next, earnings report. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the earnings report. As you can see here are the automotive revenues in quarter 1 2019. So last year it was like roughly 3.7 billion US dollars. So the most recent quarter 1 2020 was 5.1 billion US dollars. So it was like a roughly 40% increase. So the current world crisis barely has an effect on it. And the gross profit margin, here the total gross profit also increases to 118%. But in general, it right now it makes like 60 million US dollars in profit. Not that much compared to last year with 702 million US dollars. But right now, the company expands. It's more about growth than profitability. It expands. Right now it builds its gigafactory in Berlin, Germany, also in Shanghai, China. So it's growing. The company is growing. That's what the investors are looking for. So let's have a look. News. Okay. So right, compared to like the number one car maker, this car maker Toyota sells the most units worldwide, and it sells like 10 million units, roughly 11 million units last year. So there's a lot of room upwards, because right now, like last year, Tesla could sell roughly 400,000 units, so it's like 4% compared to Toyota. So if Tesla, like in the future, produces more units, like semi-trucks and Cybertrucks, the stock price will surge even more. So there's a lot of room, a lot of potential upwards. So the news right now is that Tesla, the stock price surges over 1,000 US dollars because it started producing its semi-trucks. So yeah, it's getting exciting. So I would buy more Tesla stocks, in my opinion. Of course, it's your decision what you want to do with your money. Invest at your own risk. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next time.